Good afternoon, folks. It's Mayor Dooley here. Just wanted to touch base with you and talk to you a little bit about some of the things that are sort of popping up in our community at the moment. And of course, right off the bat, I want to thank everybody for their commitment to keeping that social distance and making sure that they're staying home as much as they possibly can. I'd like to also thank those that are out there working on a daily basis, keeping our city up and running. And also to the many healthcare workers that are working diligently on our safety and well-being. A couple of things that sort of popped up this week. One was, of course, that there are some businesses in our community that are still open and still operating, and some of them have been receiving a little bit of pushback from folks. So I just want to assure you that the businesses that we are aware of at the municipal level, they are compliant with the regulations and rules that are handed down from the provincial government, and in particular from the Ministry of Health and the Interior Health. And if you do happen to patronise those businesses, you'll notice that they've taken all the precautions necessary to keep all of us safe in their facilities and outside of them. I would encourage you to phone ahead. I would encourage you to go on their website, and I'd encourage you to support them and try and keep them in business. I wanted to let you know that our council had a working session yesterday, and we're talking about looking forward as to how we can sort of start planning for the future here and look at some of the attributes that we have within our municipality and people we can pull together to start talking about how we can rebuild our community going forward. And we know that that's going to be a challenge for all of us, but it's going to take a community commitment to get us back on our feet. So that work is now already underway, and we'll formalise it in the next week or so, and we'll be starting to reach out to people for advice and your help going forward. So I just want to remind you to stay safe, keep your social distance, and of course stay home unless you absolutely have to. Take care and have a great weekend.